Hello family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So I went to vote because recently it was time for us to change our first minister or to keep the one that is there already. It was time for the election, and I thought I've never voted in this country. I will just try to vote today. Although I've told you in my previous video, once you're in this country, please, it's very important for you to register to vote. Even if you're not going to be voting, you should register to vote because it is one of the things that will help you or give you more points when you are applying for your citizenship or your indefinite leave to remain. So I usually advise that people you can register to vote online, go to your library, just try to vote because it is showing that you're one of a responsible citizen in the country. I decided to vote this time around because I love the minister that is there, the first minister I mean, and I just thought I'll just cast my vote because I just thought I wanted to have the voting in the UK experience. Initially, I was kind of reluctant. I didn't want to vote because I don't know if, of course I knew my vote was going to count, but I just felt I don't want to go and line up and stress myself, being that the mentality I have from where I'm coming from, Nigeria, with our voting, where during voting, there's going to be a lot of campaigning, money spent, advertisement, people will be sharing bags of rice, people will be sharing noodles of beans and roasting corn behind the roadside, and a lot of things will be happening during election. So I was not actually ready to be involved in anything that has to do with election, voting or no voting, even back in Nigeria. But this time I just thought I would just give it a try. My husband closed from work. He closed by 8 p.m. and he came home and said he has voted. Just a few minutes after him, like, how did you vote? He said it was just easy. I'm like, oh, really? If it was easy, because where they even do the voting is actually close to my children's school. So on my way from picking my son, I saw where people were trying to vote, but I'm like, I can't be bothered going to line up. I don't have time for that. But he said, no, it was easier. So all I did, I'll show you the clip. Family, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to cast my votes. So it's already dark. I'm going to cast my votes. It's already late. It's about past 9 in the night because voting stopped by 10, but I'm still able to vote. Voting stopped by 10. You can see shops are already getting closed. Shops are closed, but I have to go and cast my votes today because it's First Minister's election today, and we're going to vote either to vote Nicola Sturgeon in or to vote her out. So today's election in Scotland. I'll show you how easy it is to vote. So easy. Within 2 minutes you'll be done. So I'll just bring you along with me. I don't know how much I can record, but at least to give you an idea of voting in Scotland or in the UK. This is my real face. I woke up like this face. Oh dear, it's already late, but because it's almost summer or because we're in spring, it's still quite bright. You can still see properly even though it's past 9. So I'm actually rushing because they close by 10. So we need to see if we can vote.
Just a little black spot in my heart, and then it kept spreading through my body when you tell me it don't matter what you do. I think I'm over you. So I will take on the world again tonight. I will take on the world again tonight. We pushed our luck all in overdrive.
Okay, thank you. All right. Hello.
What street do you live on?
Come again?
What street do you live on?
Boat 2, I think.
Yeah, station number 2.
Thank you.
Okay. It's just straight on in the corner. There'll be a sign there.
All right. Gloria. Otiko.
Right, Gloria, there you go. Give you the pencil.
Yes, please.
Okay. So you have to take the pencil home with you.
Okay.
And if you see your form up there.
All right.
Okay.
I think you're wired just fine, babe. But your mind works in a different way. You're taking me far, far from my avatar. I think I get a bit addicted. It's the fear to get afflicted, but nothing worries me. We are on the run, and beautiful flight. Don't be afraid, I'm the one. We are better than that.
Right, Gloria. If you put the purple, that's right. Just in there. And if you fold that one in half, just anyway, it's fine. Just because the box is very full, and I'll help you push it in. Okay, that's you.
Thank you
Okay,
so much.
thank you.
Bye. We're out. Thank you. So can you imagine? I went in and trust me, in 2 minutes, I had voted and I was on my way home. And then I came out and I almost cried. I almost cried at where we got it wrong. Where did my country get it? Where did we get it wrong? Where did we learn our own things from? Where did we learn our voting from? Why can't we learn good things and do the good thing? Is it different? We have double head. I went in. The moment I was entering, somebody was ushering me, telling me welcome, asked me where I was staying. I told them where I stayed. I told them my street, and they directed me to my booth. I went to booth number 2. When I got there, the person asked me for my name. I told them my name, asked me for my list line, something like that. I told the person, and the next thing they read out my unique code, which I already had that unique code when they were sending me the voters card at home. So when they were sending me the campaign book, the campaign flyer at home, I already saw that unique code. So they read out the unique code, gave me my ballot paper, and that was it. They gave me a free pencil, which I just went, I marked who I wanted to vote for, and I put it back in the hole, and I was told thank you for coming, and that was it. I was shown how to go out. How is it that easy? What happened? Where did we get it wrong? What is going on? Why? There was no life lost. There was no police at the spot. There were no long queues. There was nothing of such. It was as smooth. People still went to their work as usual. Things still went on, and the next day the counting was going live. We all knew who was leading, and when you saw the end result, we saw who won. Nicola Sturgeon won again, and it was pure, plain and fair, and everybody knew it was fair. After that, Nicola Sturgeon went to radio stations, explained and talked about her manifesto, how she plans to make them work. And you see people asking her questions, even common men ask her questions, she answered, and you would know that this one knows what she's saying. She knows what she's doing. And it just kept me wondering, where did we go wrong? Where did we get it wrong? What is happening? What happened? In fact, it's so sad. I don't know how election is held where you are or where you're watching from, but can you just share your experience in the comment section? Am I taking it too seriously? Am I exaggerating? Or am I don't know. I don't know where we got it wrong. I tell you, I registered to vote online. I never went anywhere. I got all my information via email, via post in my house. I did not go anywhere. I was at home. I saw who was contesting. They sent all the pictures and everything to me, their manifesto, how they intend to achieve what they've said in their manifesto. On the election day, I almost forgot. The only thing, it was in the radio that today's election. On election day, I went there, and in 2 minutes, I had voted, and 2 days later, the result was out for the whole first minister. I give up. That is all. That's all I'm going to say. I'm not going to say anything bad about my country, but you know what I'm talking about, and it's just sad. Okay, that's the end of my video for today. I just wanted to share my experience with you. In case you've not voted before and you're planning to come to the UK, don't worry, just go and vote and experience what voting means. And let me tell you, your vote counts. And I hope one day, God bless Nigeria. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe, and I hope one day everything will be fine. Please remember to subscribe. I love you. Bye.